It's early morning, just before sunrise, and the quiet neighborhood is still half asleep. But Ben's busy day is already about to begin. Every day at exactly 6:00 a.m., Ben wakes up to the soft chime of his alarm clock. He stretches, yawns deeply, and takes a moment to gather his thoughts. The cool morning air fills his room, reminding him that a new day full of routines and responsibilities has arrived. As soon as he gets up, Ben walks straight to the bathroom. This is his first routine of the day. He washes his face, brushes his teeth slowly while thinking about everything he must do, and then takes a refreshing shower. He always spends about 15 minutes in the bathroom, no more, no less. By 6:30 a.m., Ben is in the kitchen. The smell of toasted bread fills the air as he prepares his breakfast. He cracks 2 eggs into a pan, adds a pinch of salt, and waits for the familiar sizzling sound. Breakfast is one of his favorite routines because it helps him start his day with calm energy. While eating, Ben checks the time again and again. He has a habit of reviewing his to-do list every morning. He knows exactly what must be done before noon, what must be handled in the afternoon, and what he should finish before nightfall. His day is always busy, yet always organized. At 7:00 a.m., Ben grabs his backpack and steps outside. The morning sun has just begun to climb, painting the sky a soft orange. He takes a deep breath of fresh air and starts walking toward the bus stop. This routine, too, never changes. While waiting for the bus, Ben watches people around him. Students rushing, workers hurrying, neighbors chatting about yesterday's events. He checks the time again. The bus usually arrives at 7:15 a.m., and today is no different. As the bus door opens, Ben steps inside, finds his favorite window seat, and begins another part of his daily routine, observing the city waking up. The streets become busier, stores open their shutters, and delivery trucks pass by. Ben likes this moment because it helps him prepare mentally for the long day ahead. His ride continues peacefully, and by 7:40 a.m., he reaches his destination. He steps off the bus, stretches his arms, and starts the next chapter of his busy day, one that is filled with tasks, responsibilities, and constant movement. But even as the day begins to speed up, Ben never forgets the importance of these early morning routines. They are the structure that keeps him grounded, the gentle rhythm that prepares him for everything that awaits him. And today, like every other day, promises to be full, active, and endlessly busy. Ben steps into the building right on time, 7:45 a.m., ready to continue the next portion of his busy day. His routine always begins with checking his schedule. Ben carefully reviews his tasks, meetings, and deadlines. He likes knowing what he must finish before lunchtime and what needs attention later in the afternoon. Staying organized is his secret to staying calm. At 8:00 a.m., Ben starts working on his first assignment of the day. He focuses completely, ignoring the chatter around him. The clicking of keyboards, the beeping of printers, and the soft hum of air conditioning become background music to his morning routine. By 9:00 a.m., Ben takes a short break. This is part of his daily routine, 10 minutes of stretching, breathing deeply, and clearing his thoughts. He usually steps near the window and watches the flow of people outside to recharge. When the clock reaches 9:15 a.m., Ben returns to his tasks. This part of the morning is always the busiest. He sorts documents, replies to messages, organizes materials, and prepares the things he will need for the rest of the day. Time passes quickly. At 10:00 a.m., Ben joins a small team meeting. Everyone shares updates, discusses progress, and checks what must be completed before noon. Ben listens carefully and writes everything down to stay on track. By 10:45 a.m., he is back at his desk again, working steadily. He knows he only has a little more than an hour before lunchtime, so he tries to finish as much as possible. At 11:30 a.m., Ben begins organizing his workspace, a routine he follows every day before lunch. Clean desk, clear mind, he always says. It helps him feel refreshed when the afternoon begins. By 12:00 p.m., lunchtime arrives. Ben finally relaxes. He sits in a quiet corner, opens his lunchbox, and enjoys every bite. Eating calmly at noon is one of his favorite daily habits. As he finishes lunch, he looks at the clock again. Half of the day has passed, and although he has already done so much, his busy day is far from over. The afternoon will bring even more tasks, energy, and challenges. After lunch, Ben begins the second half of his day. The clock shows 12:30 p.m., and he takes a deep breath before returning to work. The afternoon always starts with reviewing updates. Ben checks messages he received during lunch, goes through new tasks added to his list, and adjusts his schedule. This routine helps him stay prepared for the next few hours. At 1:00 p.m., Ben begins his afternoon projects. He focuses intensely, knowing that this period of the day is when he is most productive. Ideas flow smoothly, and his concentration is at its peak. By 1:45 p.m., Ben pauses to stretch and sip some water. Staying hydrated is another one of his daily habits. Even short breaks keep him energized and ready for the rest of the day. At 2:00 p.m., Ben joins another brief meeting. The afternoon meeting is usually shorter, but it is just as important. It helps ensure everyone is working toward the same goals. By 2:30 p.m., Ben is back at his desk and working again. Time feels like it moves faster in the afternoon. Papers shift, messages arrive, tasks pile up, yet Ben keeps moving steadily through all of it. At 3:00 p.m., he takes a 5-minute walk around the building, another routine that helps him refresh his mind. The small break gives him the clarity he needs to finish strong. The next hour passes with constant activity. Ben reviews progress, sorts completed tasks, and prepares materials for the next day. This is part of his end-of-day routine, something he never skips. By 4:00 p.m., the office begins to quiet down, but Ben stays focused, determined to finish everything he planned for today. Even though it's tiring, he enjoys the feeling of productivity. At 4:30 p.m., after hours of dedicated work, Ben finally leans back in his chair. He has completed almost everything on his list, and the end of the workday is in sight. With one last look at the clock, Ben reminds himself that his day is not done yet. There is still the journey home and the evening routines waiting for him. But for now, he feels proud of how much he has achieved during this busy afternoon. The time is 5:00 p.m., and Ben finally steps outside, leaving the building behind. The cool afternoon breeze greets him as he begins the slow walk toward the bus stop. This part of his routine is peaceful. After a long, busy day, the walk helps him relax. He watches cars passing by, people rushing home, and the sky slowly shifting colors as evening approaches. By 5:15 p.m., Ben boards the bus. He finds his usual window seat and rests his head against the glass. The ride home is always quieter than the morning ride. The city seems calmer now, as if everyone is winding down after a long day. Ben reaches home at 5:40 p.m. Stepping inside, he immediately feels relief. Home is the place where his routines slow down, where he can breathe, unwind, and prepare for tomorrow. At 6:00 p.m., he begins his evening routine. First, he prepares a simple dinner, something warm and comforting. As he cooks, he reflects on everything he accomplished today, feeling satisfied with his hard work. Dinner is followed by a quiet moment at the table, where Ben eats slowly and peacefully. He values this routine because it helps him transition from the busy daytime to a calm evening. At 7:00 p.m., Ben spends time organizing his backpack and setting up what he needs for tomorrow. Preparing early helps him stay relaxed at night, knowing that the next day will start smoothly. By 7:45 p.m., Ben finally sits down for personal time. He reads, listens to music, or simply rests. After such a busy day, these small moments feel precious. At 8:30 p.m., Ben begins his night routine, brushing his teeth, washing his face, and tidying his room. These simple habits help him end the day just as neatly as he started it. By 9:00 p.m., Ben climbs into bed. The room is quiet, the lights are dim, and the busy noise of the day has faded away. He closes his eyes, thinking about everything he experienced. Slowly, he drifts to sleep, knowing that tomorrow will bring another busy day, another set of routines, and another chance to do his very best. And with that calm thought, Ben's long, busy day finally comes to a peaceful end.